If he catches COVID, he's not going to make it. He's not, and that's my concern.
Families of inmates push for change as the state struggles to contain outbreaks of COVID-19 in California's prisons.
Thanks for joining us live at 6, especially to those of you watching on our new connected TV apps. And good evening, I'm Warren Armstrong.
And I'm Margot Kim. Pleasant Valley State Prison in Coalinga has not had a large outbreak, but there is concern it could be the next site of a COVID-19 spread. Families are pushing to prevent the same kind of crisis at the Avenal facility, where hundreds of inmates tested positive and 5 died.
Action News South Valley reporter Brian Johnson shows us how relatives are being a voice for those behind bars.
Family members of inmates protested outside Pleasant Valley State Prison on Friday, calling for change in light of the ongoing pandemic and large outbreaks of COVID-19 at other state correctional facilities. Pleasant Valley has had just 1 inmate test positive for the coronavirus. 11 employees have tested positive.
We demand mass release.
Monique Jimenez points out that Pleasant Valley is more than 130% occupied, so she says social distancing is not possible for her husband, Christopher.
He's hand washing that mask and reusing that mask. Some of the other individuals that are currently incarcerated, they don't have masks, and so they're sharing masks.
Erica Hernandez says her husband has underlying health conditions, so she doesn't think he'll survive if he gets COVID. She thinks it could spread like wildfire inside the prison.
He has 1 year left. Let him out. Give him a fighting chance to survive this COVID. He has a home. He has everything. Just let him out. That's all I'm asking for.
The California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation says they've reduced the state's total prison population by 16,000 since March. They say facial barriers and hand sanitizer have been provided to inmates and staff and have implemented measures to increase social distancing.
More than anything, I think he knows that he's not alone, even though he may feel alone like many other people. And there's so many people in there that don't have family. They don't have someone to speak for them, so we're speaking for all of them.
Let them go! Let them go!
In Coalinga, Brian Johnson, ABC 30 Action News.
New at 6, the Federal Trade Commission is suing a Porterville company for marketing a fake COVID-19 treatment plan. Golden Sunrise Nutraceutical has large billboards